RV Life Trip Wizard can be very valuable to RV owners, but it contains so much information and it is such a valuable asset, it can be used by anyone. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. When you're setting up a new trip, under your trip settings, after you give it a name, head over to RV Info. This is where you would put your basic information, such as the height, length, and weight. This is how RV Life Trip Wizard is going to generate your route. After you choose your fuel type, capacity, and your reserve, a personal preference of mine is I like multiple fuel warnings. That way it shows me along my trip how many times I'm going to stop, and then I can adjust my route around that. Once you get to routing and driving, this is where you choose RV routing or standard routing. RV safe directions will accommodate your RV, such as clearances, weights, bridges, tunnels, that kind of thing. Standard routing is what you would use in a smaller RV, such as Class B, a camper van, or even a truck or a small car. But if you're using this alongside your RV, make sure you change it back to RV safe when you are finished. Head over to the expenses tab and input your average cost per gallon for fuel. Hit recalculate for all stops and save and finish. And the map is ready to go. A good practice for this is to create another vehicle beside your RV so you can switch between the two. Because the last thing you want to do is take your RV down a road where you do not need to be. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.